How to change currency on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Temu application. Make sure you are signed in and now go ahead and tap on the U option you see there on the bottom center of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the country and region option you see there. You will also see the option for currency, but you cannot change your currency from there as you will have to change your country or region in order to change your currency in Temu. So, once you are in the country or region tab, scroll through and select the country whose currency you want to change into. For instance, if I want USD instead of Euro, then I will change my country and region to United States from United Kingdom. So tap on the United States option and further in the pop-up that appears, tap on the switch option, and with this your currency will be changed to USD. So this is how you can change currency on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.